Did you know that satellites in space produce several terabytes of data about the health of planet Earth on a daily basis? This data is waiting to be used by innovative entrepreneurs who can help turn this space data into applications for a wide variety of applications here on Earth. The Horizon Europe program offers funding for these entrepreneurs and for these challenges. How this works is the subject of a new series of webinars organized by the Netherlands Space Office and the Dot Space Foundation. My name is Remco Timmermans and I will be the host of these new series of webinars. I'm very much looking forward to seeing you at the first or the subsequent webinars that are held on a different topic every time, starting on the 21st of June, the next one on the 28th of June and the 5th of July. I'm looking forward to seeing you all there. Thank you very much.